If your Roblox chat isn't showing up or you can't type messages in games, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix it in just a few minutes. Let's go through it together. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and join any game. At the top left, you should normally see the chat icon. It's where players talk during gameplay. If you can't see it, try tapping the 3 lines in the corner to make sure it's not hidden. And if it still doesn't appear, that usually means your chat settings are restricted or there's a small glitch. So let's leave the game. Tap the Roblox icon at the top left, then choose Leave. Once you're back on the main Roblox screen, tap the More option in the bottom right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings. From here, choose Privacy and Content Restrictions. You'll see several categories. Go ahead and tap Communication. Inside this menu, open Experience Chat. If it's set to No One, you won't be able to chat with anyone in games. So, change both Experience Chat and Direct Chat to everyone. This will allow you to send and receive chat messages again. While you're here, it's also good to check your other communication features. Turn on Party Chat, Connections, and if you use Voice Chat, make sure your microphone is enabled. If your chat still doesn't work after that, tap back a few times until you reach the main settings menu. Then tap Account Info at the top. Here, look at your age group. If your account is under 13, Roblox automatically restricts chat options for safety. So, if your age is incorrect, tap the pencil icon next to your birthday and update it to the right age. And that's it. Your Roblox chat should now be back and working normally. If this helped you out, go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe for more quick fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.